Friends, we're going to do some culinary first. We will go to one of the most famous culinary places in Singkawang City. That is Bakmi carrying Haji Aman. How delicious we will be if we eat here. We'll see later. Bakmi carrying Haji Aman is the most famous in the city of Singkawang, which is located near the AI roundabout, or to be precise in the Sekok area, before the gate of Singkawang City. So friends, if you come to the city of Singkawang, don't forget to stop by to enjoy this Haji Aman culinary, because this is very famous, friends. Until people from outside the city of Singkawang, either from both domestically and from abroad, are familiar with the name Bakmi Kering Haji Aman. Okay, let's go. Don't wait too long. Now let's enjoy the cuisine Bakmi Kering Haji Aman. Friends, yes, this is the location, not far from the AI roundabout, which is located around the Sekok area. Well, here also provides a variety of various dishes, such as dry noodles mixed with meatballs and all kinds. Okay friends, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and give positive comments to keep Reza excited again, making the best content about the city of Singkawang. Let's now prepare ourselves immediately as much as possible to eat safe pilgrimage dry noodly dishes. Oh Pak Haji. Dah.